Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Al Lucchino. I'm the owner of Harley-Davidson of Danbury. We're a 31-year family-owned business located right off Exit 7 off I-84. I want to welcome you to our virtual showroom. And if you're watching this as a Facebook reel, Facebook limits those to 60 seconds. So I'm going to post the full link to this walk-around video on this 2016 Breakout in the comments section of the reel. Now, we've got an awesome motorcycle here. This 2016 Breakout comes with the white pearl paint with black accents. This was one of the factory colors for that year. It's in beautiful condition. We've got custom hand grips on this motorcycle. We've got slip-on mufflers, Python style. So a good sounding motorcycle, but the heart and soul of this Breakout is its twin cam 103 cubic inch V-twin, 240 millimeter rear tire, and what we've got is a 21 inch front wheel with 49 millimeter forks, and they're raked out at 37 degrees to give this thing a stable ride and a low slung chopper type look. 24.5 inch seat height. This is an awesome motorcycle. Now, before I get into the basics of the motorcycle, the core, the engine transmission combination, I want to talk about that. We've got a Fat Bob style 5-gallon gas tank. We've got a speedometer, traditional analog style with indicator lights here mounted on drag bars, custom grips. All looks, fits, and feels right. I have an expression: if it looks right, it is right, and this bike, this Breakout, looks right. Now we've got anti-lock brakes with gasser style wheels front and back. It's fuel injected, so there's no gas valve, no choke, no hiccuping, no coughing, no sputtering. I may have already mentioned we've got a 24.5 inch seat height, 103 inch twin cam air-cooled engine with a massive 95 foot-pounds of torque, backed up by a 6-speed transmission, so you've got a gear ratio for every situation. In addition to that, it's belt-driven, so we've got a quiet, clean, and virtually maintenance-free drive system. The tires on this bike look brand new. They're excellent. They're in awesome shape. They're very fresh. This bike is turnkey. It's ready to ride. It's what I call road ready. Now, better still, let me point out forward controls for comfort. So if you're tall, this bike has the right configuration. Handling, looks, performance, this bike has it all. In addition to that, financing is available for approved borrowers. So come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury. Let's take this Breakout for a test ride. This bike has 28K on the miles. It sells for under 15K. As I said, it's turnkey. It's road ready. It doesn't need a thing. It just needs you, a new rider. We're located at 203-730-2453. That's our phone number. We're open Tuesday through Friday, 10 to 6, Saturdays, 10 to 4. We're also a Jekyll & Hyde multi-mode exhaust system dealer, so solenoid controlled, 3 modes, quiet, medium, and loud, all controlled from the handlebar. Awesome stuff. We sell that as well. Behind me is our DynoJet 250i Screaming Eagle Performance Center. We can test and tune and help you improve the performance of your carbureted or fuel-injected Harley-Davidson. So come on down, pay us a visit. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, come see me, Ricky, or Tom at the dealership. Don't miss this bike. These twin cam Breakouts have a tough look, a great style, and they ride and perform beautifully. They're getting hard to find in this kind of excellent condition. So see you at the dealership. Thanks for watching.